Hi everyone, this is the talented Mr. Fridge. I think I'll just call myself Courtney now. Anyway, I'm at a fridge in Ridgewood, Queens, where two straight men live, and I have access to their fridge. So let's just get going. Okay, looks like, hold on, let me. Okay, it looks like we are gonna have Mike's Deli Mustard. We have Concord Grape Jelly. That's cute. Okay. Sour cream. Coleman's Mustard. This big spread stuff. Cocoa June. Is someone vegan? We don't know. Hummus. Pickled ginger. Minced ginger. This is stuck to the thing. Okay. Looks like jam, tomato jam. More fig spread in the back. Dashi stock. Tahini. I'm gonna say that's red chili paste right there. Okay. Oh. Okay. Better than bouillon. And more better than bouillon. Tomato paste. Austin East Cider's pineapple cider. Better than bouillon again. This one's chicken. 2 little containers of nasty guacamole. Maybe that's an avocado crema or something. We have Ken's Steakhouse Farmhouse Ranch garlic. Oh, it's stuck. Desert pepper tequila salsa. Miso, gochujang, I'm thinking. Oh no, it's samjang. Okay. Okay, homestyle medium salsa, Ortega. Now here we have gochujang and we have red miso. Okay, there's a lot of condiments here. It's mostly what I'm seeing, I guess. We have heavy cream, Kalamata olives, Panera bread, Caesar dressing, a few stray pickled red onions, a little bit of pineapple juice, okay. Sprite, okay, that's Siggy's, we all know it is. This is Chick-fil-A sauce, yogurt, more salsa, broth in the back. It's giving me pause. Chicken, raw chicken, rosemary. I just happen to know that these people are out of town. The raw chicken. Kind of dancing with the devil here. Okay, let's do cheese. This is some Swiss cheese. This is bacon. This is Laughing Cow creamy Asiago. Looks like there's some this is like there's a lot of stuff in this fridge. Okay. Parmesan. There's low moisture whole milk mozzarella, maybe like a teaspoon. I'm gonna say cheddar. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, this is gonna take a long time. Eggs, grapes, strawberries, more pineapple juice, more pineapple juice, more pineapple juice. Okay, well, we've all seen that episode of The Kardashians. We know what that's about. Whole milk, bread, chicken sausage. Whoa, okay. Cabbage, parsley, some greens, mixed greens. Okay, more parsley, celery, broccoli. Oh, this little tomato. It's okay. But This is what we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. This is cilantro lime dressing. This is sour cream. This is butter. This is butter. This is more pineapple juice. This is coconut milk whipped cream. This is fat-free whipped cream. Black pepper sauce. That's a nice sticker. Ranch. Oh, blue cheese actually. Mayonnaise. Balsamic vinegar, fig infused. Teriyaki. Pineapple habanero hot sauce. We have Worcestershire. We have jalapenos. We have peach fruit spread. We have more Worcestershire. We have maple syrup. And then down here we have Casa de Fruta, Pinot Grigio. We have more mayonnaise. We have La Colombe cold brew. We have Chateau Diana Pinot Grigio. We have Anna. We have Grassroots Brewing. So that's what we have in this fridge. As always, I feel just lucky and grateful to have access to the fridges that I have access to. And I think the takeaway from this fridge is gonna for sure be the pineapple juice. Okay, love you, bye.